Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix Windows settings closing immediately or not opening in Windows 11. Step 1. Run PowerShell as administrator. Open the search menu, type PowerShell, and right-click on Windows PowerShell. Select Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control UAC, click Yes. Copy and paste the command provided. Refer to the video description for the command. This command restores the Settings app to its default state, helping to resolve issues where it won't open or functions incorrectly. Press Enter and wait for the command to execute. Close PowerShell. Step 2. Run System File Checker SFC scan. Open the search menu, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control UAC, click Yes. Type SFC scan out and press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. This may take some time. Once the scan is complete, close Command Prompt and restart your computer. Step 3. Reset Windows Settings app. Open the search menu and type Settings. Right-click on Settings and select App Settings. Click Repair if the app isn't working properly. This will attempt to fix it without affecting its data. If the issue persists, click Reset. This will delete app data, including preferences and sign-in details. Confirm the reset and restart your computer again. After following these steps, your Windows Settings app should be working properly again. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it helped, and I look forward to assisting you in the next one. Goodbye.